In today's video, I'm going to make a necklace for men. It's the same necklace like this. It's actually universal, could be men or female, but today I'm actually going to show you how I'm going to make one. Very simple, same thing like this, but I'm going to use square pendant and the circle. So here goes. So that's the pendant, there we go, and that's the leather cord that is on. And then you see I have here the one side that I did put on. I'm going to lock the other side on. So the pendant is complete, and that is a leather cord that is on. And back here, I have here, put these tassels on it. Well, not tassel, closures. And that's stainless steel. Thank you for watching, guys. Remember to subscribe, like, and share, and hit the bell for notification. Till next time with Jen, just being creative. Bye-bye.